This is PowerPoint video 3 for beginners. How to add animations to your PowerPoint. Okay, so let's go to what would be our first slide of our presentation. And maybe I don't want this all at the one time. I would like to see this first and then this one second. So I've added an animation here. Okay, so you go into animations. So I can see there what I've done. If I don't like it, I can delete it. I click on the number and delete it, and I want to change it maybe. So I can click on the text box, or you can highlight the text that you want to animate, and then you choose from here how you would like to animate. So how do you want it? Do you want it to zoom? Do you want maybe to swivel, to bounce, pulse, wheel, how it appears for you in your PowerPoint? I prefer just using the fade, and if I want to check what I've done, I can just do a preview. Okay, so that's a simple one because there's only two things here. Let's look at something with some more things on it. You can see here, I don't want these to show all at the one time. Maybe I want to see them one at a time. So maybe I want this picture to appear first. So I choose from the animations that I want. Remember, it's our animations tab. You can use this drop-down box and see all of these different things that you might want to do. I'm going to keep it simple and just use the fade. And then I want, say, this picture to appear next, number 2. Okay, so I can see a 1 and 2. So this tells me that will show first, that will second. I can also go to the animation page to see what I've got happening. So for any time I want to check, I can play all. Okay, so I've animated the pictures, but I want to add a bit more. I want to animate this text too. I want this to show one at a time. So I'm going to highlight the text and I choose my animation. Because it's text, I'm going to keep it simple. And I'm going to fade. And then I want this one to do that next. And then this one. And then this one last. If I don't have an animation, it will always appear on the screen. So you can see I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This title lawyer, it doesn't have one. So that means that you'll always see this. So watch, if I press play to check. Okay. So that's not too bad. I'm quite happy with that. But maybe I decide, no, I do want to add one here. So I can use the text box or highlight the text. Yeah, highlight the box. And I'm going to give this an animated effect. I want it to, say, bounce in. Yeah. If I'm not happy, I can always undo. Oh, no, I changed my mind. Redo. Okay. Always good to do a preview, so you can preview from here. What it will look like. But I'm not happy with that because I think that this title, the lawyer, that should be first. So in my animation pane, I can see there it is. It's number 7. So I can highlight this and I can drag it and drop it to where I want it. I want it first, so I'm moving it first. Then I can press play and see if I'm happy with that. Okay, that's not bad. But I want to also add another animation that this will disappear as well. It appears one by one. and then I want it to disappear. So I highlight the text or the text box, because it's the whole box. And you can see there's all these exit options. So for your images or pictures or text, how do you want it to exit? So I'm going to, maybe I want to wipe it. Okay. So I might just check, let's see what, So something went wrong there. It removed my other ones. I'd still want it to appear one by one, so I'm simply going to undo it. That's not what I want it to do. So I'm going to highlight the text, and I need to, because it already has an animation, I need to add animation. I have to click here to say there's a second or third animation for this text. Alright, so let's go, if I go here and I'm going to, let's try the wipe again. Okay, so now you can see that this text has two. So when we add a second or third one, we have to use the add animation. So I'm just going to check. So I click off, click anywhere, and then I'm going to press play. Am I happy with this? Yeah, I am. Okay, I think that's good. So you can easily delete. You can click on the number on the PowerPoint and just press delete. Or you can click from here and delete. I don't want it to disappear. And then we can press play. Is it good? Am I happy? Yes, I am. If I say, no, I wanted to do it, I can just undo. And it's going to give them back for me. And I'm going to press play just to check that it's okay. So the more you use the PowerPoint, the easier this will come, how to use animations and do things.